We're going to talk about 5 simple Instagram profile tips and tricks you need to know. These are going to help you stand out and attract your ideal audience to your Instagram account. So let's jump right into it. Before we do it, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. So let's jump right into it. Tip number 1. So not many people know this, but Instagram account, your name field, which is right here, this is searchable. So anything that you add here, put here, people can search your account by that keyword. So for example, let's take an example. If I search for fitness coach, you'll see some people come up here. Why? Look at this. They have the exact keyword, fitness coach, fitness coach, fitness coach in their profile. Let's do another search. So marketing consultant. And you can see marketing business consultant, marketing consultants, marketing consultant. Let's do another one, social media. And now you'll see social media marketing, social media marketing, social media marketing. That's me, that's my other profile. So step back and think about your ideal target audience on Instagram. What type of keywords they're potentially using, and then add those keywords here. How? Very simple. Click on edit profile, and then here's the name field. So for now, I'm just gonna say marketing tips and tricks, and that's it. And now you're gonna go all the way at the bottom and hit submit to save everything. Very simple. So that was our tip number 1, the name field. Make sure you change your name field to have keywords that your potential audience is using to find someone like you, find a business like yours. The other option, also stay on the edit profile, scroll all the way down. So this is our tip number 2. So there's a field here called similar account suggestions. So this is gonna make sure, sometimes this is turned off, so make sure you turn this on, because this is gonna include your account when recommending similar accounts to people who might want to follow you. You know, sometimes we follow someone on Instagram and then Instagram displays other like suggestions to us, like similar accounts we can follow. So you need to have this turned on for your account to be suggested or recommended by Instagram. So that's our tip number 2. Let's keep going. I'm gonna make sure you can see everything. Let me resize the screen. All right, the next tip I wanna talk about is, actually we're gonna go right here. It's the emailed from Instagram, which is right here at the bottom. You know how sometimes we get emails from people and they're like, hey, we can help you get verified on Instagram. Or hey, this is so-and-so from Instagram, click here to log in, blah, blah, blah. You can come here, email from Instagram section, and make sure those emails are from Instagram. So look at this, security login emails from Instagram. It's in last 14 days, will appear here. You can use it to verify which emails are real and which ones are fake. Here you go, same thing here. So if you ever get an email, personally, me, if someone emails me and pretends they're from Instagram or they want to access to my Instagram and that email is not listed here, I never open it. So that's our tip number 3 or 4. I actually lost track. All right, the next one I want to talk about is the apps and websites section. So this is where you need to check which apps and websites have access to your Instagram account. So right now, I do check it frequently, every other week, maybe once a month, and look for what tool. Sometimes we use tools like Later or Buffer or Hootsuite to publish our content on Instagram, which is fine. You might see those tools here, but sometimes you're like, hey, I never gave this tool access to my Instagram. How come they have access? So in those cases, you can come here and remove it. So always look at expired and also remove. Right now, I don't have any website or app accessing this particular Instagram account, but this is how you can review who has what tools and apps have access to your Instagram account and then remove them. All right, the last thing I wanna share, the last tip number 5 for your Instagram profile. By the way, all those settings are under your edit profile. When you click on edit profile, everything we just talked about is right here. So let's go back to the profile. Last thing I want to talk about is your profile picture. So make sure your profile picture, if your Instagram account represents you, then you want to use your personal picture. But if your Instagram account is about your business, you can use your business logo. That's what I recommend. For example, right here, here's a logo for this brand. So always pay extra attention to the profile picture you have, because that's the first thing people probably notice when they come to your Instagram profile. So make sure your Instagram, if you're using a picture, make sure it's professional. If it's a business account, then make sure whatever you have displayed here, it actually represents your business. If you have any questions about Instagram marketing, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Let me know which one of these 5 tips and tricks you're gonna try. Bye for now.